Welcome to the Martin family home in Alençon, France, the birthplace of Saint Therese of the Child Jesus. This house holds a special place in the story of the Martin family. Unlike their later home in Lisieux, where not all family members were present, it was here in Alençon that the entire family lived together. Saint Therese was born in this very home, and it was also here that her mother, Saint Célie Martin, passed away from breast cancer when Saint Therese was just 4 years old. The home stands today as a testament to the faith, love, and trials of a truly remarkable family. Prior to the house tour, visitors are shown an introductory film about the Martin family. Take a look at the wooden table in the center of their kitchen. It was crafted by Mr. Isidore Guerin, the father of Saint Célie. A crucifix hangs above the doorway leading to their dining room. Here in the dining room, you can see Saint Therese's original high chair, as well as the golden clock that contains the original mechanism crafted by Saint Louis, who was a clockmaker. Another crucifix is mounted above the doorway that connects to the office room. The office was where Saint Louis and Saint Célie carried out their work. On Saint Célie's desk, there is a crucifix and a photograph of her father. On Saint Louis' desk, you'll find a photograph of his parents and a statue of Our Lady of Victories, to whom he had a deep devotion. Whenever he was in Paris, he would always visit the Basilica of Our Lady of Victories. Their stairs were nicknamed the Stairs of Confidence because little Saint Therese would descend them alone, calling her mother at each step and waiting for a reply before continuing, a small practice Saint Célie used to teach her the way of trust. Marie and Pauline's room, where the family placed the statue of Our Lady of the Smile and gathered for prayer. The salon and guest room once held a bed for family's guests. The bags in the middle symbolize Saint Louis' love of travel. The prayer kneeler originally belonged to Saint Célie and was used during her visits to her brother's house in Lisieux. The house chapel is dedicated to Saint Therese. The paintings on the walls depict important events from her life in this house. They were all painted by Céline, the family's fourth daughter. At the right side of the altar, above the candles, are bone relics of Saint Therese and her parents. From the chapel, through the glass, you can see the room containing the original bed upon which Saint Therese was born and Saint Célie died. It is therefore a bed that witnessed both the birth of a saint and the death of another. Let us continue exploring the house, discovering the everyday items they use, and visiting the garden where Saint Therese played and spent time with her family. Saint Célie was a highly skilled lace maker and ran a successful lace business in Alençon, France. In fact, Saint Louis closed his clock-making business to help Saint Célie with her lace-making enterprise. Our house tour is now complete, and we make our way to the Basilica of Notre Dame, a place filled with precious memories for the Martin family. It was here that Saint Célie and Saint Louis Martin were united in marriage on July 13, 1858. Years later, on January 4, 1873, their youngest daughter, Therese, was baptized here, just 2 days after her birth. We can still see the baptistry and her tiny christening dress lovingly preserved. This sacred place also held sorrow, as it was here that Saint Célie's funeral was held on August 29, 1877. Since July 12, 2025, the Marriage Chapel, also known as the Chapel of the Virgin, has housed the relics of the left forearms of Saint Louis and Saint Célie Martin.